Ready to turn your passion into profit by creating a website that generates recurring revenue? First, pick your platform. WordPress with a membership plugin like MemberPress or Paid Memberships Pro offers flexibility, or consider dedicated platforms like Substack or Patreon for ease of use. Next, define your membership levels and the exclusive content each tier unlocks. Think exclusive articles, videos, courses, or community access. Integrate a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal to securely process subscription payments. Make sure the process is smooth and trustworthy. Craft compelling landing pages that highlight the value of your subscription. Showcase testimonials, previews, and clear pricing plans. Set up a user-friendly subscription management system, allowing subscribers to easily update their information, upgrade, or cancel. Promote your website through social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience. Consistently deliver high-quality, valuable content to keep your subscribers engaged and coming back for more. This is the key to a sustainable, recurring revenue stream.